All right, look what I got back here. The Road King with the Fishtails on. I'm so excited about it. I'm going to do a quick unboxing. Then I'm going to show you when I put it on. Not really a how-to or anything like that. And then I'm going to show it to you right here. Good pictures, and I'm going to start it up so you guys can see the sound. Man, I'm so pumped about it. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post videos. We got a lot of stuff coming up for this bike. Okay, so the Road King right here, we're about to put the Fishtails on. I'm just going to give you a quick look how it looks right now. Just took the bags out, and obviously it looks like that. I still haven't cleaned that white wall or anything like that, but I am going to show you this. Hopefully the Fishtails look nice. And I'm going to give you a quick sound of what I got so far with this bike, with those pipes. And then we're going to do another sound with the Fishtails. I'm about to open my Fishtails. I'm going to go in my 2005 Road King. This is going to be straight up 39 inches, straight up no baffles, so it should sound pretty good. The company name is going to be Mutasa, I believe. And again, I'm just going to show you a quick unboxing how it comes in the box in case you're looking for some of these Fishtails that are really not that expensive. So quick look on the box right here. Okay, so here's the box, and essentially I just open it up. I'm going to move this out of the way, and you should be able to see the Fishtails right there. Just a quick look. I'm going to get them out real quick, but again, just showing you how it looks right here on the box. Here's the tips right there. Okay, so here's going to be the Fishtails right here. Pretty much everything that comes inside the box. You're going to have two pipes. Obviously, I got the 39-inch, no baffles. And I'm just going to give you a quick look so you can see the Fishtails right there. They feel a little bit, yeah, they do feel a little bit heavier. Obviously, you're going to have two, and you're also going to have the accessories. So in theory, you should have everything that you need right here to be able to install this. So just a quick look, and I kind of want to take a look in the inside, and as you can see, it's just straight up a pie all the way down. Here's a quick look at the Fishtails right there. It's kind of giving you a closer look, and here's a closer look of the two pipes right there. Okay, so I took one of the slip-ons already off. Very, very simple. Couple screws right here. Loosen up that clamp right there, and it's ready to take off. Okay, just real quick, I just took off these two slip-ons that I had. You can see, and here's the other one right here that I took off as well. Okay, so I just put it here right now. So again, I still have to bolt it down and all that, but kind of give you a quick update how they're looking so far. Right there. Okay, so here's a quick look at the Fishtails with the motorcycle, no bags. Obviously, what we're gonna do now is that we're gonna watch this motorcycle, take all that blue stuff out, and I want to put the bags on so you could get a quick look how it's gonna look. But look at it right there. That's nice. Okay, so here's a closer look at the Fishtails right there. This is 39 inches. It's kind of how it looks, kind of what you can expect right there. See the bike, man, it's looking sexy, looking really, really good. So again, let me get closer right here. Man, they're sticking out pretty good, but they look really, really fantastic. Look at that. So anyways, really good price, really not that expensive at all. Here's a look of the bike from this side right here. Nice. Okay, let's go ahead and do a sound check now. Here we go.